Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Check Airpods firmware and your device OS, then update anything pending so software isn't the culprit. Next, clean the speaker meshes gently with a soft, dry brush or cotton swab. You'll be surprised how often grime muffles sound. Once done, pair the Airpods to a second device and play audio to determine whether the problem is the Airpods or the original source. This step sets up the rest of the fix. You now dive into settings. Forget the Airpods and Bluetooth, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair to clear connection glitches because stale pairings often reduce volume. Make sure your device EQ is set flat and any volume limit or sound check features are off. These compress peak levels. Also inspect accessibility. The audio balance slider should be centered. If an app has its own volume, raise it there too so nothing is capping output. Finish with deeper actions. Perform a factory reset on the Airpods and fully charge both buds and the case, because low cell voltage can lower loudness. If problems persist, attempt a firmware reinstall or restore via an Apple device that supports Airpods firmware updates, since corrupted firmware can limit volume. If none of this fixes it, reach out to support or inspect warranty and consider replacement. However, before you leave, try one last test after reset. If one bud remains quieter, cleaning or hardware repair may be required.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.